If you want to make Lucidchart dark mode, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to change your Lucidchart canvas to a dark background so it looks cleaner, easier on the eyes, and better for working in low light. This is a simple visual change, but it can make a big difference if you spend a lot of time building diagrams, flowcharts, or templates inside Lucidchart. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Lucidchart, then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside, open the document or template you want to edit from your documents dashboard. This is important because the background setting is adjusted inside the document itself, not from the main homepage. Now move your mouse over the canvas and right-click on any empty space directly on the page. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Document Settings. This opens the settings panel for the current document, where you can control things like page appearance and background styling. Once the document settings panel appears on the right-hand side, look for the background color section. This is the setting you need to change in order to create a dark mode style look. Click the color circle or swatch to open the color palette. Lucidchart will show you multiple color choices, and from here, you can select a dark gray, near black, or pure black shade depending on the look you want. If you want a softer dark mode effect, dark grey is usually the best choice because it still gives you contrast without looking too harsh. If you want a more dramatic appearance, choose a deeper black tone. As soon as you select the color, the canvas background should update immediately, so you can see the change right away. After that, take a moment to check how your shapes, text, and connectors look against the new background. If anything is hard to see, you may want to adjust the colors of your diagram elements so they stand out better. For example, lighter text, brighter lines, or higher contrast shapes often work better on a dark canvas. And that's really all there is to it. You've now changed your Lucidchart canvas to a dark mode style background in just a few clicks. It's a quick way to make your workspace feel more modern and comfortable, especially if you're working for long periods of time. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. And if you want more Lucidchart tips, software walkthroughs, and productivity guides, make sure to stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.